Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your subscription error in your Google Play Store. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And without any further delay, let's get started. If you're constantly facing subscription error in your Google Play Store and how you can fix it, the method is very simple. What you need to do is first of all launch your Google Play Store. After that, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see a profile icon. Click on it. As you click on it, a pop-up will appear right in front of your screen, and from the list, click on payment and subscription. Once again, under it, you'll be able to find multiple options. Click on payment method. On this interface, what you need to do is you need to delete or clear all your payment method. So in order to remove your credit card or your debit card, you need to click on more payment settings, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to the info of your payment section. On this interface, you'll be able to see list of credit card, bank account or debit card that is linked to your Google Play Store. And to remove it, click on the pen icon next to the credit card, bank account or the debit card. As soon as you do this, you'll be able to see a confirmation, and if you're sure about unlinking or deleting your bank account, click on the confirm button. After you remove your credit card, next page you need to head back to the same page or the payment section, and on this interface what you need to do is you need to head back and click on subscription. After that, click on get started and get a subscription. Once you're done entering your information, you'll be asked to enter in the credit card, bank account or debit card information. Now you can add or link a new debit card, credit card or bank account. After that, you'll be able to fix your issue. So this was the first method on how you can fix your subscription error in your Google Play Store. After following these steps as well, if you're still unable to fix it, then make sure that you have a stable internet. In case if you're using a Wi-Fi, then you can switch over to your data. And similarly, if you're using a data, then you can switch over to your Wi-Fi network. Also make sure that you don't have pending outdated application. In order to check for it, you need to click on the profile icon once again and click on manage apps and devices. After that, you'll be able to see this option as all apps up to date, and then click on check for update. If you have any pending outdated application, then you'll be able to see the list right over here. Make sure to update all of the application, and then you might be able to fix the subscription error in your Google Play Store. So these were the steps on how you can fix your unavailable for subscription error in Google Play Store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.